No traffic on your website? If you're staring at your site thinking, why isn't anyone finding me? You're not alone. And it's not your fault. But it can be fixed. Your website might look good, but if no one's visiting, it's like having a beautiful store hidden in an alley with no signs. Let's talk about the real reasons your website isn't getting traffic and what you can do starting today. 1. You're not showing up on Google. If your site isn't optimized for local SEO, you'll never show up when people search plumber near me or roofing in your city. Fix it by adding location-based keywords, updating your page titles, and connecting your site to your Google business profile. 2. Your site loads too slowly. If your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, most people bounce. Compress images, remove bloated plugins, and check your page speed score. 3. You don't have clear CTAs? Are visitors confused about what to do next? Add clear buttons like Call Now, Get a Free Quote, or Book Today in the first section they see. 4. You're not sharing it enough. Your website isn't going to market itself. Post it on your social media. Add it to your email signature. Include it on every flyer, truck wrap, or invoice. 5. You're missing content that helps people. Google problems, not just businesses. Add blog posts, service pages, or FAQs that answer common questions. This builds trust and boosts traffic. Low traffic doesn't mean your business is broken. It just means your site isn't set up to be found or clicked on. But now you know what to fix. Engage your business. Our expertise, we help small businesses get found, trusted, and hired online. Visit engageyourbiz.com and let's fix your traffic problem for good.